Hi, I'm Ed Welch, and I'm pleased to announce that I will be speaking at the Fiel Conference for pastors and church leaders this year. But I am also so sorry that I won't be able to be there in person. By God's grace, I'll be able to be there online and engage with you online. But obviously, because of the circumstances this year, I'll have to be staying home in the United States. I will be speaking about perhaps the most important theme in all of Scripture, and it is this, that the Lord desires to come near to us as His people. And that theme in Scripture will be carried in part by your identity as priests. It will be brief and it will be packed, and you'll have to do some of the application of it. But I am really looking forward to being with you, and I hope you will join me. Thank you.